Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Shafika binti Zailani and my metric number is TE19004. So today I will explain for the answer 7.1.1. So here is our ladder diagram, which is x0 is normally closed and x1 is also normally closed. YO is our output. Now we will run the ladder diagram for 7.1.1 at ISP soft. So firstly, we just need to start the driver. Click the driver and click start. Done. So next, we need to click compile and check the ladder diagram. And next, we need to click compile again. Done. We need to go to PLC and click the online mode. Click yes. And we need to click transfer. So here we can see our ladder diagram is in online mode. Next, we just need to click run and run the program. So as you can see, we get our output is 1. So here I will take one example to prove the truth table. I will take contact 0 x0 x1 is 0 and the output is 1. We click right click, take force, and we take off. Same goes to x1, take off. For output, we will get is 1. Next, we will do for 7.1.2. So this is our ladder diagram, which is consists 2 network. Here is our ladder diagram for 7.1.2. So now we will run the program, which is we need to click compile and check. And click compile again, compile. After done, we need to click PLC and click online mode. Click yes. Next, we need to click transfer. So as we can see here, our both ladder diagram is in online mode. And then we need to click run. I will take one example from the two tables that have been constructed. The contact x1 and x2, which in x1 is 0, x2 is 1, the output is 0. So click force, click off, force, on. So as we can see, the output that we get is 0. Now for the contact x3, x4, and x5, I will take 0, 0, 1, and the output is 0. So here we right click, we choose off, and for x5 we choose on, which is 1. So now we can see our output that is 0. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aifahana binti Mamaraduan. My matrix number is CE190038. Now I would like to present the lab 2. In this lab, I do question 7.1.3. So there is the ladder diagram for question 7.1.3. Alright, in this lab, I will show how to run this ladder diagram. Okay, firstly, we need firstly click compile and click check to check whether have error or not in this ladder diagram. So if no error and 0 warning, we need to find com and then click open. So click add. For this type, change to the DVP simulator, and device change to our series. Okay, right. So after that, after change these driver properties, click OK. So click this description and click start. Alright. So this one, okay. Then click to tools, communication setting. Okay. Driver 1, click OK. Okay, and then click online mode. Yes. And click this transfer. Okay, before we run this, we need to click the run button. So click yes. Okay, so this data game already run. So I will show example 1 how to see whether this data game output is function or not. So for the example, x1 we change to off, x2 we change to off, x1 we change to on, so x4 we change to off, x5 to off, x6 off, and lastly x7 we change to on. So here we can see the output y2 will be light up. Alright, so for another one, so x1 we change to off, x2 also off, x3 also off, x4 also off, x5 also off, x6 also off, and lastly x7 also off. So the output, which is the y0, y0, y1, and y2, the bulb is not light up. Now I want to show the output for y1 and y0 is function or not. So for x1 we turn on to on, x2 we change to off, x3 we change to on, x4 we change to off, x5 is off, x6 is on, and that's why x7 we change to on. So the output y0 and y1 are light up. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akil Sazwan bin Mumami. I'm from group number 1 and from section 9. So in this video, I will tell you about the part of the question 7.14, 7.2, and 7.3. So first part is 7.1.4. So I already create the ladder diagram. So this is the diagram of 7.14. So after we create the ladder diagram, we compile the program. So we click this compile and click check. So there is no error. So after that, we double click at this COMGR shortcut, double click. So we click add. Okay, level 1. So connection setup type, we choose DVP simulator. So after that, we click OK. And after that, we click start. This first, click start. Okay, we go back to the software. So after go back to the software, we click tools and communication setting. After that, we choose level 1. So that's all. I'll click OK. So after that, we click online mode. Yes. Click transfer. So the software is already online mode, so we can run the ladder diagram. So I will simulate the diagram by using this table of diagram. So simulate to make this out is on. So first we try this x0. We 1 is referred to on, 0 is referred to off. So 1 x0 we post on, x1 we post on, x2 we post on, X3 equals on, X4 equals on, X5 equals on, X6 equals on, X7 equals on. So after that, we click run. So as you can see, the out is on. So we will try the other that make the out is off. So before that, we stop the run simulation. Yes. So we try this X0 we force off, X1 we force on, X2 we force off, X3 we force off, X4 we force on, X5 we force off, X6 force off, X7 also we force off. So after that, we click run. So as you can see, the out is off, 0. So that's from question 7.14. So next, question 7.2. What will happen is the user did not click the online mode when executing the program. So my answer is if the user did not click the online mode, user cannot transfer the driver simulator from this COMGR shortcut to PLC when executing the program. So the data from the CX programmer will not be transferred into the PLC. So the PLC, the diagram cannot be run, and user cannot monitor the output using the PLC. So last question is 7.3. Modify the figure from question 7.13 so that lamp Y0 or Y1 is always on. So this is before 7.13 before we modify. So if you run the diagram, you can see both out Y0 Y1 is always on. So we want to modify this diagram to make Y0 or Y1 on. So first we stop the simulation. So after that we try. So we off online mode, we off. So we modify. So I will try X3 contact move to after the Y after this. So I will try to delete this first. So click contact. I will choose contact to take this part. So editing. So after that we compile first. So online mode. Okay. Transfer. So after that we run. So as you can see, one out from these two is on. Y0 is off, Y1 is on. So that's all from me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.